What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today with us we have the Line 26 Macwheel bike, which is only $600. This is a budget e-bike, and I think it's gonna be awesome. Let's unbox it. Ooh. Gotta be careful, because that would not be fun. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. Wow, this thing is small. I mean, by small, I mean it's thin. Like this whole bike is thin. That's awesome. Oh, it's really thin. Like this is, honestly, like look, this is like, wow. It's a baby. Impressive. Dude, awesome. This is cool. Whoop. Nice, charged. Here we go. All right guys, so there you have it, the LNE 26. This is the budget-friendly version of the Macwheel, and it is definitely a budget version. It's almost like they put a motor to just a regular traditional bike. So everything is much smaller. The frame is smaller, the tires are smaller, the features are smaller. The overall bike itself is actually pretty small. Who I think this bike would be for is for someone who's just going to do a low speed cruise, maybe at a boardwalk or a bike path. I don't recommend that this bike be taken super fast or on any rough terrain. But if you're just going from point A to point B on some flat surface and you're on a budget, this might be a good way to go. So if you're interested, you can check out the link below. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next video and we'll see you next time. All right, only 2 more steps, putting the tire in and then the rear rack. Whoop, whoop. Let's try that again. All right.